What's up guys, it's Mike from i-Blason with Melissa. If you guys have been following us on social media, we've had a little gingerbread competition. You guys saw the gingerbread houses, you helped us determine the winner. Now that the gingerbread competition is over, we got to do something with this gingerbread house. And since we're all about drop tests, we're going to drop test the gingerbread house. So we got the Aries in here, as you can see. We've tested it with the phone in the Aries, but we've never tested it with a gingerbread house. So this will be interesting to see. I think it might survive, but that's why we do these tests. Will it survive?
No.
You don't think so?
The gingerbread house? No. Phone cases? Yes.
I think it'll survive. I think this gingerbread house will come out with totally intact and not one piece missing. Are you okay, Melissa? 3, 2, 1. Shut that gingerbread house! Oh my goodness. I was so wrong. I didn't make it at all. Oh wait, come here, Mom. Cases still look good, still intact, still perfect. Wow, look at that. So it looks smashed to me. I don't think you can use this gingerbread house anymore. Wow, oh man, so glorious.
Look in the cases.
Love that, oh yeah.
Just bouncing around.
Cases survived fine. How was that? Was that satisfying?
Yep.
All that
Yep,
work,
very
spent 3
satisfying.
days building this thing and just destroyed it in half a second. Very satisfying. All right, well, how was that, Melissa? How did it look from your end?
Scary and high.
Yeah.
Like I said, gingerbread house did not survive.
Well, the gingerbread house didn't survive, but your phone will definitely survive. Check us out next week. We're going to drop an iPhone XR from the Aries at CES in the CNET drop test. Don't miss it.